Let's see this. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Don't get antsy now.
We're
making a slow video here. $20 on the table. Jay-Z over there filming this shit.
Hell yeah.
I'm on YouTube.
Now we're gonna make sure that this sting is authentic. For the captain. Hold on. Let's just take a look at the scorpion first. Can't see through that angle. But yeah, it is a live scorpion. Okay, so I got a good shot. Don't tilt it where you can't see it.
Well, shit, I'm trying to get him up on the side.
Okay, but don't let
Should I put him on the freaking table?
Well, just hold on a second. Hold on. Calm down. Calm down.
Right.
Take a minute. Don't get in a rush. We gotta get this shit captured on video.
Alright.
You're doing it and it's fucking up the shot and everything else, you know what I'm saying?
Alright.
What do you want to do? You want to put it on the table one?
Put him on the table?
I mean, he can walk off though.
No.
Whatever you want.
But I mean, if he starts walking off, you gonna grab him?
Yes, sir. Not with my hands, I'll grab him with the fucking cup.
What are you talking about? You're
want
gonna let him sting you anyway? What difference does it make?
Well, alright, you ready?
Alright, that motherfucker walks off, you grab him.
Oh shit. Come on.
Better grab his ass, motherfucker.
Alright, hold on. Hold on a second. Y'all down here where you can see this shit?
Hold on, we ain't got good light here. That motherfucker don't want to sting you. He's running. And why are you trying to stop him from stinging you when that was the whole point of the
Well, because I want you to get some better light.
Alright.
Alright.
I appreciate that.
That's not a black Mexican scorpion, is it?
I never even heard of a black Mexican scorpion. Hold on right quick. Hold on, let me adjust this thing on here.
Put your finger inside.
Hold on.
Try to put my...
Hold on. Let me get my shot in. My fucking focus is fucked up.
He's not biting.
Hold on.
He's ready for biting.
Alright.
He's not biting.
Not bite.
He won't bite.
Why don't you grab his fucking tail and see if it stings you?
Well, I don't want to do that. I just want him to freaking bite me.
What is he, dead?
No, he's not.
Hell yeah.
Got that motherfucker up now.
Hell yeah, he's ready.
Videoing? How come the other one bit you so quick and this
I don't
one
know,
won't do
because
it?
this one won't do it. Shit.
That motherfucker got that pussy.
Come on, damn it. He's up.
Motherfucker probably never stung them before. What kind of shit is this? That motherfucker's gay like you.
Shit. What the fuck ever. He's not doing it. I cannot get this motherfucker to bite me.
You won't fight humans and he won't either. Or she.
Shit. Come on, motherfucker. Bite me already.
My fucking focus keeps messing up on this.
Alright, guys. I've danced with a freaking scorpion. What's the problem with scorpions these days? They don't bite.
Dancing with scorpions.
Right? Shit.
That's your name.
Okay, y'all don't have to send me this fucking video. He is not doing it. What is the problem?
Is he dead?
No, he's not dead. He's
pick him up.
Yeah, put in your hand.
Really?
What? Hold up. Keep going. You know what, man? That's a goddamn shame. My shit was fucked up on the first.
Take a picture of that. Take a picture of that shit.
Well, it's recording now.
Well, I know. I want a picture.
There's a $20 that was on the table.
Oh shit! Hold on.
It's fucked up. I don't trust this on this.
Oh fuck! All right, hold on a second. Hold on. This is,
Now I fuck with him. I bet you he'll hit your
All
ass.
here, I need to get the picture. He's not fucking. He's not doing shit.
And that's funny because he was when we picked him up.
Yeah, like he was fucking hitting that fucking jar. I'm gonna put this motherfucker in my hand and get a picture. And then, you know what? By default, I think I get that fucking.
No. By default, nothing. Although I'll give you some props for that shit.
Hold on a second.
I wanted to see you get stung.
Nah, it's too bright.
And cry like a bitch.
I'm not gonna cry like a bitch. Nah, it's too bright.
I guess this is a tame scorpion.
I guess so. Hold up a second, man. Hold on, let me try to get a good picture. All the flash is too bright. There we go.
Jonathan Glaze, Jay-Z, Cameron.
Dude, he's not freaking doing it. Oh shit! Oh,
That
motherfucker!
motherfucker got that pussy for real.
Oh, hold on a second. Hold on. Let me.
Ain't nobody motherfucker.
Hold on. I just let him really want him to freaking bite me on the arm, but I mean we can't even get a freaking shot in here. Come on now. Golly. This guy will not freaking sting me. Come on. He's like, alright guys, I don't know what to do with this. Hold on a second. I'm not afraid of scorpions, that's for damn sure.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that's a good picture right there. Alright guys, he will not bite me. I tried. Going back in the cup.
He gets kind of frisky with that glass.
He does. He's not biting. Don't let him go up in my fucking sleeve.
See?
No, there he goes.
Hey, looking for fucking bite something.
He's trying to.
How's that motherfucker gonna
ain't
bite
do
the
it.
glass and not?
Almost.
Stick your finger right there. I get him
Hey.
to bite your ass.
Yeah.
I've never known a scorpion not to bite. I've known many scorpions, but shit. Come on. Do it to it. Come on.
It's like he thinks you're his protector.
I guess
or
so.
something.
Shit. He's not biting. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it quits. Yeah, I wanna get this right here. That's a good
That's some
good,
bullshit.
that's a good shot right there.
I put 20
Well,
on the table.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow morning he'll be antsy. He'll be ready to go.
Alright.
First thing in the morning, you can go ahead and do it.
Alright. I tried in the morning. Yeah.
Never bite you, motherfucker.